Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the wireless sensor networks. So wireless sensor networks are the system made up of small wireless sensors distributed across the area to collect and share data about the environment. These networks plays a vital role in gathering real-time information and are commonly used in smart cities, industrial automation, environmental monitoring, and healthcare. As the technology advances, wireless sensor networks have become a key component of the Internet of Things, connecting devices and streamlining operations. So some of the key components of wireless sensor network includes the sensor node, where the device that detects and collects the environment data, central processor which manages and processes the collected data, then communication system which uses wireless technology such as Wi-Fi or radio waves to transmit information across the network, and then gateway which connect the network to the internet or cloud, enabling the remote access and analysis. So the key components of these wireless sensor networks are sensor nodes, central processing unit, communication system, and gateway. So now we will see the architecture of this wireless sensor network. So this right side diagram indicates the architecture of wireless sensor network, where the vertical lines represents the application layer, transportation layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer, and the horizontal represents the power management level, mobility management, and task management. So we will see these layers one by one. So application layer, which acts as the interface for the end user. It translates gathered data into actionable information and handles the various software applications. Then next layer is transport layer. What is do? It ensures the reliable data delivery and maintain data flow control between the sensor node and the external sync internet, especially when application requires a packet loss prevention. Next layer is network layer. Here they manage the routing and the data dissemination. It selects the most efficient path for transmitting data from a source node to destination. Next layer is data link layer. It handles the media access control, data framing, error detection, and multiplexing of the signal. Then next layer is the physical layer, which manages the hardware interface. It oversees raw bit streaming transmission, frequency selection, signal modulation, and data encryption over the physical wireless medium. Now the next layer is power management layer. So what it does, it controls how a sensor node uses its battery power. It triggers the sleep mode and it minimizes the energy uses across the all layers, and it turns off the part of radio when it is not transmitted. Next layer is mobility management plan. So what it does, it detects and registers the physical movements of your sensor node. It updates the neighbor list and modify the active path to maintain continuous route back to the base station. Then last layer is nothing but the task management plan. Here the schedules and balances sensing the task across a specific region, and it ensures that the only necessary subsets of the node perform high energy operation, preventing and node burnout. So now we will see the application of these wireless sensors in real life applications. So in smart cities, these wireless sensors are used for monitoring air quality, traffic pattern, and it manage the resources like street lighting. Then industrial applications, wireless sensor is used for track the equipment health, automate process and prevent the machinery failure. In environmental monitoring system, to detect the changes in the weather, water quality and pollution, wireless sensors are used. In healthcare sector, it is again used to enable the remote patient monitoring through wearable devices and the signal to health providers. Some of the challenges and limitations of wireless sensor networks are: it may have the security risk as the wireless data transmission can be vulnerable to unauthorized access. It requires a robust security measure. Network cognitions. Adding many sensors can slow down the network and causes data loss. So efficient management is crucial. In environmental interface, factors like the physical obstructions and weather conditions may impact the signal strength and the data accuracy. So these are the some of the challenges occurs for the wireless sensor networks. Thank you.